Makadini kwese kwamuri. In today's lesson, tikuda kudiscussa how do you get the best out of our lessons. As you have seen, we upload my lessons primarily in ordinary level mathematics. We have some lessons in advanced level mathematics. Then we venture into other subjects like integrated science and also commerce. Our aim and our goal kuita provider in vernacular kureva kuti in Shona, we want to provide comprehensive lessons for every subject kutangira primary up until tertiary level. But so far, we've managed to cover a greater part of O-level mathematics syllabus. We've covered some topics in advanced level mathematics and also in other subjects, science and commerce, as of now. So how do you get the best out of our lessons? In this recording, we are focusing on ordinary level mathematics because about 98% of our videos as of now, they are on O-level mathematics. And takagadzira mavideos aya in Shona kuitira vari kudzidza masvomu vanonzwisisa the Shona language. Nekuti dzimwe nguva kushandisa this English language kunolimita kunzwisisa kwedu, kolimita zvakare kutsanangura kwedu. That is why we opted kushandisa the Shona language. The way you understand or get the most out of our lessons is like this. If it is a lesson, as you can see again, we have grouped our lessons into clusters. Tine cluster number 1, which is on numbers. Then we have different clusters. Tine cluster ema matrices, cluster ema vectors, cluster trigonometry, and all other branches. So far, we are also creating a cluster in statistics and probability. So, chaunoita kana kuda kuunderstand a topic deeply or comprehensively, you look for a cluster. Let us say you want to understand numbers. You look for the cluster of numbers. You type in lessons in Shona or however you find our videos, and then you look for that cluster. You go through the videos where we are doing examples and stuff. At the end of every video, there is an exercise which has been taken from our course reader. The course reader we use is New General Mathematics, Book 1, Book 2, Book 3, and Book 4. Saka we will be specifying in any particular recording which book you are looking for. So that New General Mathematics, you go to the relevant chapter, you do the exercise. We do not provide, in most cases, solutions to exercises. We do that indoors because we post videos on YouTube, which is a public platform for the benefit of all, but we have other students. We offer private lessons and private tutoring. So those students, when they do those exercises, then we mark them, then we discuss them. But if we come about a question which we think and suspect is very important, we can do a recording and post it here. Saka, you go to a cluster, you listen through and practice through the videos. At the end of every lesson, there's an exercise. You attempt the exercise. You go to the next lesson. We have tried to order these lessons appropriately. Wherever we have a lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, sometimes up to lesson 10. After you have finished listening to a cluster, you then go to practice questions. Our practice questions are taken primarily from ZIMSEC past examination questions, even though here and there, we also take practice questions from Cambridge papers, and also from textbooks, but primarily it's from ZIMSEC. So these questions, we have tutorials. Saka tutorials, you'll be having averagely, kana kuti usually 4 questions and or 5 questions. So from 4 to 5 questions, anenge ari in a single video. That's a tutorial. And that usually lasts about, give or take, 30 to 40 minutes. But you also have shorter videos, which are usually concerned with questions. We have vectors question 1, question 2, ticharamba tichienda. Hopefully at some point, tichasvika vectors question 100. Matrices question 1000. Saka ticharamba tichienda. The ordering of this, it's simply according to our uploading. Kureva kuti if I upload a vectors question now, it means that question is going to be maybe vector question 14. Saka these numbers, they do not mean question number 1 is more important than question number 2. They simply mean we have uploaded so far 14 questions on this topic of vectors, or on the topic of probability, or on any other topic. That is what it means. So when you get to practice questions, be it through my tutorials or through my questions, which are actually ordered in playlists. On this channel, most of our things are in playlists. So if you want to learn something, kwamnowana the clusters, kwamnowana my tutorials, kwamnowana my practice questions, you have to navigate to the playlists of this channel. That's where most of our things are. They are not the most ordered, and you're going to see sometimes when you look into a cluster, it's not that orderly. We are still organizing our stuff, but we are really trying. But I hope that you are going to get the most out of it. The other place where you get questions are question papers. We are not yet so much focused on question papers because the goal this year was to finish the syllabus. We have largely finished the syllabus. So I think starting next year, our focus is going to be on question papers. We are going to have playlists where we answer full question papers, O level maths and advanced level mathematics, and also playlists where we answer part questions, kana kuti just singular questions. So you have to expect that, but it's not yet. When you get to questions, what you have to do is, since you have learned the material from the cluster, let me give an example of the cluster on trigonometry. You open the cluster on trigonometry, you learn the Pythagoras theorem, you learn the trig ratios, sine, cos, and tan, you learn the sine rule, you learn the cosine rule. So you have learned the material. Now you want to practice the material. So for your practice, maybe you go to a playlist where we have questions on vectors, or a tutorial where we have questions on vectors. It is pointless. It is moot. It is not beneficial to just sit through solutions. Saka kungoita open a video and you just listen inactively, kana kuti passively. You do not learn from that. What we advise you do is that before you look at the solution, you have to attempt the question to the best of your ability. So tikaisa a question on the screen, it depends with the video. Sometimes you have to copy the question down because question engages over pachiwa solution. Sometimes the question will remain on the screen when we write the solution per side. It depends. But you have to answer the question on your own. Then you compare our answers. That is how you learn the most. You can also apply that when you are doing clusters and it's not your first time to do that material. Let us say you are revising vectors and you want to use our cluster on vectors as your source. When you are doing those videos, You get to questions, you pause, you work them, then you listen through as we work, you compare. The last thing I want to advise is please engage with us through the comments section, through liking, through sharing, through subscribing, but mostly through the comments, because that is how we know what has to be improved or where we are doing things right. Otherwise, I wish you the best in your preparations for your examinations to those who are writing this year. And I also wish you justice to everyone who is using our videos for learning. Thank you to those who are benefiting, those who are commenting. We are seeing a positive feedback, and we promise to keep on working until mathematics becomes a given. Thank you for your support and keep on watching.